True false investing quiz. 25 questions, one topic. Let's go. Question number 1. Stocks represent ownership in a company. True or false? True. Number 2. Bonds are riskier than stocks. False. Question number 3. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors. True. Diversification guarantees higher returns. False. Compound interest earns interest on interest. That's right. Index funds track a specific market index. True. Question number 6. Dividends are guaranteed for stockholders. False. All bull market refers to rising prices. True. A bear market signifies economic growth. False. Dollar cost averaging reduces volatility risk. True. High risk investments always yield higher returns. False. Short selling profits when a stock declines. True. ETFs trade like stocks during market hours. True. Capital gain tax applies to profitable stock sales. True. Assets allocation balances risk and reward. True. Question number 16. Inflation erodes bonds return over time. True. Timing the market is a reliable strategy. False. Equities are safer than cash long term. True. Blue chip stocks are low risk investments. True. Real estate is more liquid than stocks. False. Buying a call option bets on price increase. True. IPOs are always safer than established stocks. False. Number 23. A 401k is a tax-deferred retirement account. True. The S&P 500 is a bond market benchmark. False. And here is the last question. Roth IRA withdrawals are tax-free in retirement. True. Thank you for watching. You can watch the videos on our channel.